people, how not down and doing, welcome back again to a lot of boget crazy update for Babake TV. Now, not see the beef before we start the story. We carry us coming, my people. I will let me like this video, share, comment, follow me on my Facebook page as Babake TV, subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop the video, my people are going to see at one time. And as to do that, I pray may God kindly bless you. Amen. All right, now without wasting no time, make we enter the story. All right, first of all, my people, the first story we carry be coming like but this our brother where they call Bola Boy will be our Nigerian musician. He be like say this since the time where this guy don't win Grammy, can't just see himself like say now he can be the best for the Nigerian music industry. So, but for me, I know everybody know who he really need the support for the music and the person where you believe say he really need try for the music industry. And make una check out what this guy just really post of recent. He say I might decide to not drop an album for a long time. In fact, you know what? Low album till further notice. So this guy like come like saying I'm pride for and say he no want drop, he no go drop any album, he go decide not to drop any album for a very long time. In fact, no more album till further notice. Who you help? Because he don't see money and he don't get fame. So now everybody think talk rubbish. At the same time, make una check out wetin our Ghana musician wey they call Shatta Wale, he talk. The guy come outside now, he say, he be like say he resemble our Jim Ike. I don't know, compare this picture wey be say they show na for just so make una tell me if the two of them really look alike. And say to my people, make una check out this our Nigeria soldier video where this guy take dey motivate our student for the Azebo grant. We don't know as a be wey be say if we dey Azebo grant, we will first they do some kind money devotion and a lot of things like that. So before they go enter class, make una check out the video of this our Nigeria soldier and how it dey motivate our Nigeria students. Make una tell me what una really reason concerning the matter. Oh yeah, verificate.
There's something I do say to myself every morning I wake up. Before I do anything, even before I brush, I just speak to myself in the morning, and that's what I want you to do right now. Even though you've been doing fatigue, normal things, say to yourself, I shall be great. I shall be great. I shall not be useless. I shall not be useless. I shall be useful to my generation. I shall be useful to my generation. I shall be useful to Nigeria. I shall be useful to Nigeria. Clap on for yourself.
Alright, my people, sure now don't see the way the matter take place. So a very big kudos to that Nigeria's army where we say try to motivate those children. There's always a good result for person where do good thing. I believe say most of them now, it be like this school is there for Lonta area. Automatically, many of those children with this thing where this soldier really teach, they tell them, it go really share some of their mind where they say that they look up to, maybe say they won't carry God, go to join all those S-men. Alright, drop your comment, tell me what you really reason concerning this thing where they show you. So make we enter another story where carry us coming, my people. Alright, my people, another matter don't happen where we say this one a very big sad story where happen for one to this woman where carry a school, is a Peking go school. Just for the first time for admission. And for the school where carry these children go, the owner of the school still get dog because the school attached to the house of the owner of the same school. And this man get about 10 dogs. And according to the resident, they say they want this man say for that area, they know they train dog, but the man still use stubbornness, they train those dogs. And these dogs now, they don't go kill this woman, Peking, 2 years old boy. Now they just kill her. It's the small pikin anyhow. According to the story, they say cooperation in Alabra as proportion. They say cooperation in Alabra as proprietor Ted Doss killed 2 years old student on his first day. A pupil in Global Growth Academy, Amokbo Omwanowa. Alleged in the Oil local government area of Alabra State has been eaten by Ted Doss belongs to the owner of the school. According to the resident of the community, one of the parents of the child has taken the boy to the school for registration last Monday. When the parent was perfecting the document and registration of the child strayed and dog attack, drag him to their shed and feast on him. The resident said the owner of the school is in UK returnee who rears dog on the same compound that houses the school. On sighting the baby, the dog rushed him and made meat of him. Daily Trust report that the Unteje community where the incident happened culturally prohibits rearing of dogs. The UK returnee has been warned about hearing dogs in the community, but he refused to listen to the community instructions. Just imagine, person just carry pikin go school. Before you know now, this pikin now, the dogs of the owner of the school, they go use the pikin take do breakfast. Imagine the pain wey be say the mother of that boy, that small boy, go through. Just 2 years old boy. I believe say make dem really seek a very big justice for this issue. Make dem no go dey use corruption take judge the matter, because that man, they need to arrest am, because even the UK wey in the state, they dey trade dog for there, but dogs are not allowed to go out of the compound. They always dey face the dog, because any person wey dog even bite safe, you go pay a very big fine, and police must come for that case. Abeg my people, make una tell me wetin una really reason concerning that issue wey be say I dey show una so. At the same time, make una check out those people wey be say this fuel tanker, e just get small accident. I don't know why most of our Nigerian people still dey very stupid to still dey close to this kind of things. Anytime wey be say e happen, and this thing dey always dey cause damage to a lot of people wey be say a lot of people go lose their life. They go lose their life, and at the same time many go get a lot of serious injury, but yet our people no wan still learn from the thing. Una see say fuel tanker, e get small accident, una go come outside go dey fetch the fuel from the tanker. Una brain, una head no fit tell una say what about if this thing catch fire, wetin go happen to una lives? So my people, make una drop una comment and opinion below. Una tell me wetin una really reason concerning this thing where I dey show una so. At the same time, if na your first time wey you dey watch my video, I dey beg make una subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell notification, so that anytime when I go dey drop new video, una go dey see am one time. Alright, we start wasting no time, make we enter another story wey carry us come. Alright my people, before I end this video, make una check out this video of this old man wey be say he enter shop where they for the cell phone or the repair phone. This old man, I don't know wetin he wan use this kind at this age. I don't know wetin he wan use phone do. Wey be say CCTV capture this man when this man dey thief phone for the shop. So the thing really surprised me, because when you see this kind of old people, you no go really even believe say they go even fit do this kind of thing. But imagine wetin this man dey do. Just imagine say this face now, the fish you and person see you see your papa say he dey do this kind of thing. My guy, tell me wetin you go reason. At the time, make una check out this post wey this our Nigerian activist wey they call Mokri talk concerning Afotati wey be say people don still dey talk about now. Because me, I don't really know why people they always dey see all those big phone as if some people they will take am as challenge, of which if you no get am, e be like say you never become person. But for me, as long as say 4 way dey with me and the fit take and share, they do Facebook, they send message, they make up. I don't see competition wey be say they do, because there are a lot of other things wey be say they need to do instead of material things. So according to this our brother, he say nobody on earth need an iPhone 13. Absolutely no one. And iPhone 13 is a status symbol. Don't let peer pressure rob you of your real treasure. If your old phone work, use it. You don't need a new phone. You need a new investment. Invest, don't impress. Say invest, don't impress. And more further, he say below are 10 things you can invest instead of an iPhone 13. He said a plot of land in a low cost area, 40 bags of rice at a rural area to sell at a price in an urban area. Trade in forests, buy 3 micro shares, buy 6 Apple shares, rent a house, rent a room, a 1-room bedroom, and rent a 1-bedroom and use it for Airbnb. Buy treasury bonds, start a POS business, join lending club and earn money lending money to people who are guaranteeing to repay. Instead, invest in a courses and learn an income generating skills. So he's trying to list out some kind of things wey be say this money wey be say you take buy house for so you fit take and invest or those kind of things. And for me, those kind of things really make sense because some of the investment wey be say this money wey be say you come dey gather money just because of say you wan buy house for, you wan meet up with your mates, you wan meet up with people wey be say that they impress you with their iPhone, with their things. You come dey gather money. Instead, use this money to invest in some kind of things. The way your business go take boom, that money wey you dey gather for iPhone so. And this iPhone 13 now be say e go cost more than 1 million naira. Wey be say person go call gather say e wan take am go dey buy phone. Wey be say the one wey you dey use before, the same thing wey you dey take am dey do, now you wan still dey use this iPhone do. Even some people wey dey even dey buy those big phones sef, dem no know how to use am, but make dem just carry am dey take am dey take picture for mirror. Make you dey see the back of the phone, make you know say na iPhone na dey carry. Nothing pass that one. You tell dem say one or two things for inside iPhone, abeg help me do am, dem go tell you say dem no know am. So I believe say this message wey dey try to pass, when you try to invest your money in something tangible, when the incomes dey come, when the incomes dey really dey come, you go dey even dey buy iPhone 40 without you no even know say you dey even dey spend any money. All right, my people, thank you very much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. If na your first time as I dey talk and when you dey watch my program, I beg my people make una like this video, share, comment, follow me on my Facebook page as Babake TV, subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell notification so that anytime when I upload new videos, so that you go dey feel am one time. All right, without wasting no time, my people, thank you very much and may God bless you. Till I see you again in my next video. Peace.